Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make a homemade mac and cheese. And what you'll need is some flour, some shredded cheese, some noodles, and a stick of butter. And then you will also need 2 pots, one with water and one without water. And the one that has water in it, you put the noodles in there. Then you turn the oven, not the oven, but the stove on to medium. Let me switch these two. And then with the noodles, you boil them until they are soft. And then you melt the butter in this pot. And then after the butter is fully melted, I will show you what to do then. Oh, jeez. What? Why is it? Okay, so after the butter is melted in the pot, you will need 1/4 cup of flour, and then you're going to add that. And then you are going to whisk it together. Alright, and after the flour and the butter is mixed together, you add some milk. Start out with 1/4 cup of milk. And then you mix that together for 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, and then after that's mixed together, you add the shredded cheese and stir. You need 1 cup of shredded cheese. I need to add dry ice a little real quick. See what you add. Another heavy cup. And after that's done, turn that off. And then, after that is done and the noodles are boiling, and then you add the mixture onto the noodles. Hopefully you had fun learning how to make homemade mac and cheese.